Man, it's just always interesting to see the combination of old and new. And up there is the Merdeka, one of the tallest buildings. I'm gonna go check that out later once I find this Petaling Street market. So here's the Petaling Street pasta place. That's one of the places, but from what I saw on YouTube, it is a pretty big place. It's a very popular place. And you can see there's a lot of art here. Oh, is this it? I don't know. Well, maybe. This is Pasar Karat. I don't know what that means. Look at all this. It's cool. All right. Oh well, motorcycles. Watch out. You could get hit. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's the market right there. Man, this area is different from the center or where the Bukit Bintang area, because this is a lot more colorful. So that's why it's so funny. You're in this one massive city, but you're also in multiple cities, and as I said earlier, it seems like you're in multiple countries or cultures all at once. I need to find out what Pasar Karat means. Okay, I'm hoping this is the market. Otherwise, it's just another cool market. I'm okay with that. Okay, spicy hot pot. And I don't remember if the market was indoors or outdoors. I'm gonna have to look at the map if this isn't it. I just still can't get over the fact that motorcycles are riding right through these really tight spots with people not only walking but eating. Literally, you could be ordering food and a motorcycle would be right next to you. Man, this is just so cool. How you could just kind of like get lost and discover something. Okay. It looks like there's some more stuff down here. Oh, the food smells so good. Especially garlic. I love the smell of fried garlic and stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it. So food's over there, but then they also have, yeah, this is it. This is the July market. Check this out. Yep, this is it. I was here this whole time. It's just taking a different route. So I'm gonna go like to the front. Let's see. And kind of start over. So okay. Wow, happy Deepavali. Is that it? I'm pretty sure that's it. Indian holiday? I don't know. Looks like it. Okay. So I hope this is the July market. I'm pretty sure it is. Not entirely sure. Okay, so this is the Petaling Street Market. So right there, busy street. But here you can find all types of stuff. You can find merchandise to buy. So it reminds me of a flea market, but obviously a lot bigger. And also many, many places to eat. And if you don't pay attention, you could miss this as you're walking across the street. But it's really cool. And I do enjoy these type of places. I used to be in a flea market myself, selling stuff, so I understand like the challenges of doing this, but also how much fun it is to meet people. Man, there's a lot of food. I'm not sure what I want to eat. I might come here and eat. So yes. Look at that. So I'm pretty sure there's some counterfeit stuff. There normally are in these type of markets. But the food is authentic. Man, this is a long market. Okay, there's another side to it. Oh, cool. That. Wow. Look at this. Wow. That looks cool. So, wow, that gets even bigger. Check this out. Holy crap, there's even more stuff over here. And over here. Oh, okay, I'll go here. Oh, so this is actually the entrance. There's a big sign there that says Petaling Street Market. Oh. 70th anniversary. Oh, has the market been around here that long? Wow. Oh. Oh yeah. So if you want to find some stuff, I would say at a reasonably good price by haggling, then this is where you want to come. If you go to a lot of markets, then you'll be familiar with doing this. But yeah, this is the official entrance to the Petaling market. Yeah, this is where I should have came, but I didn't know where I was at anyway. So that's really cool. All right. Welcome, or in my case, bye-bye, because I went in the opposite way, but I think I get the idea of what this market is, and yeah, another spot to check out here in Kuala Lumpur. Here we are, back to the busy streets.